Yeah, you ain't ready for this. You just too slow with that weak shit. Somewhere else you need to go. Don't stay around here. You will get beat. I'm like the sun in the summertime. I make you feel the heat. You get burned just like when I light up the Dutch. Truth and infamous, the opposites of Starsky and Hutch. We bucking at 5-0, they can suck my dick. My gun does the talking when I make it click. We got each other's back, so fuck the rest. And our fronts are protected by the vest. Fuck haters, wanksters, and fake MCs. You want some bitch like my NUTs. I'm ready for war, beefing whatever you feel. Just know I'm from the hood, so I pack the steel. And the pain I bring ain't the kind that'll heal. This ain't fake shit neither, it's real. It's that real shit, none of that fake shit. If you got something that I want, I'm gonna take it. Fuck what you wanna say or do. This is real shit that can happen to you. It's the real shit, none of that fake shit. If you got something that I want, I'm gonna take it. Fuck what you wanna say or do. This is real shit that can happen to you. Yo, infamous on the track to show you how it's done. I shoot motherfuckers till I see none. Like a coach when I make y'all run. See a shiny object, yeah, that's my gun. Don't make me take it out and show you what to do. Keep yourself in your life, you might make it through. If not, and you got something to say, speak up and my gun'll give you an answer, okay? I would go one-on-one, but no one's got heart, so I take my Mossberg out, blow y'all apart. Shit ain't easy and life is hard, and I've been physically and emotionally scarred. Seen a lot and been through it too. People that gave me shit, just know I'm coming for you. But in the meantime, I gotta get what I could take. Trying to lose weight like a fat bitch as long as you got my cake. Cause I don't play, no dough, no weed, no coke, no dope, and I ain't got what you need. Come correct or don't come at all. No favors can be done, no money, don't even call. It gotta be on point, fuck a deal. Make sure it's all there, you get beat for real, for real, for real, for real, for real. He said
for real.
It's that real shit, none of that fake shit. If you got something that I want, I'm gonna take it. Fuck you and your weak ass crew. We'll turn your complexions to a pale blue. It go 1, 2, 3 into the 4. Truth and infamous coming back for more. And we keep shit lower than the floor. Whatever said and done stays behind closed doors. Like the time I had that freak for sure. And I told her to go right after she let me score. Fuck all the drama, we keep shit low key. I move kilos, bricks and pounds. Fuck OZs, don't come at me with all that small talk. Cause I'll take you for a ride, then a long walk. Ask you what you want, give you what you need. Take all my shit back, cut you and watch you bleed. Y'all don't like me, man, I wonder why. Cause y'all wanna be me, but can't. Even though you try, don't be mad. Even though you still gon' hate. Cause I'm like God when I pick your death date. Go ahead and hide, someone will squeal. My gad's a king, so you peasants must kneel. Hard steel, it's gonna be your last meal. LDB, and this shit is real. It's that real shit, none of that fake shit. If you got something that I want, I'm gonna take it. Fuck what you wanna say or do. This is real shit that can happen to you. It's that real shit, none of that fake shit. If you got something that I want, I'm gonna take it. Fuck what you wanna say or do. This is real shit that can happen to you. It's the real shit, none of that fake shit. If you got something that I want, I'm gonna take it. Fuck you and your weak ass crew. We'll turn your complexions to a pale blue. It's always
hip hop.